Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we bring you in-depth reviews of the latest products on the market. In today's video, we're going to talk about the Abanen Silicone Air Hole Sport Watch Bands for various Garmin models. These watch bands have been gaining popularity, and we're here to give you all the details you need to know. The Abanen Silicone Air Hole Sport Watch Bands are designed to fit specific Garmin models, including Fenix 7S, Fenix 6S, Fenix 5S, Instinct 2S, and more. It's important to note that these bands are not compatible with Fenix 5X, 5X Plus, 6X, 7X, or other models. So, make sure to check your watch's compatibility before purchasing. One of the standout features of these bands is their unique air hollowed-out design. This design not only adds a stylish touch but also improves breathability. The bands are made of premium hypoallergenic silicone, making them lightweight, comfortable, and suitable for various activities like sports, running, yoga, hiking, swimming, and surfing. These watch bands come with a fold-over magnetic closure, which is a departure from the traditional hook metal buckle. The magnetic closure ensures that the band stays securely on your wrist with an easy snap-on mechanism. This design not only adds to the convenience but also offers an elegant look. The Abanen Silicone Air Hole Sport Watch Bands are designed to fit wrist sizes ranging from 5.1 inches to 7.48 inches. This wide range accommodates most wrist sizes. These bands are made of high-quality silicone and feature stainless steel components, ensuring both comfort and durability. The smooth finish gives them a sporty appearance while being gentle on your skin. These bands are available in various colors, but in this video, we're specifically looking at the black option. You can choose the color that best suits your style and preferences. When you purchase these bands, you will receive one quick-fit 20mm silicone sport replacement band. Please note that the smartwatch itself is not included. In conclusion, the Abanen Silicone Air Hole Sport Watch Bands offer a comfortable, stylish, and secure option for upgrading your Garmin watch. Their unique design, compatibility with specific models, and magnetic closure make them a compelling choice for those who lead an active lifestyle. If you own a compatible Garmin watch, these bands can be a great addition to your accessory collection. That wraps up our review of the Abanen Silicone Air Hole Sport Watch Bands. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth product reviews. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.